In what was supposed to be a beautiful vacation, Kashmir turned out to be an absolute horror. 42-year-old Madhusudan was along with his family, that is his wife and son. He was in Kashmir at a place to enjoy his vacation, but due to the terrorist attack over there, he was killed. Such a horror in a family that did not know. They claimed that this place is absolutely silent, and there you see that is Madhusudan's body that is being carried by officials to his place in Kavali at Andhra Pradesh. Madhusudan, everybody here claims to be a very nice person, a very quiet person who was helpful to everybody, and that is why questions are being raised that how could such a horror could occur to a family of Madhusudan over here. He was 43 years old. He has a father who has already went a heart surgery, and now everybody here are questioning what is going to happen to his family.
First, they did not shot. One guy standed and scolded them badly in Hindi. They came back and they hit at that child. That time they noticed they was alive. That time they asked, "Are you Hindu, Muslim?" They asked, "Are you Hindu, Muslim?" And they shouted that time. My sister is holding my brother-in-law's hand. He said, they misguided, they are running. Somebody misguided them. Somebody misguided. They asked them to lay down. That's why they lay down. Somebody misguided. Kids ran it from that place. I don't know.
I am terribly sorry for your loss, ma'am.
I can't say. I can't know.
Really sorry for your loss. So I'm very sorry for your loss. What exactly did they tell? What happened?
We received a call on Tuesday at 7 p.m. saying that there was some attack happened and Madhusudan Rao was injured and he was hospitalized. Okay, later after, sometime around 10 p.m. we got information that Madhusudan Rao was no more and his dead body was found in the identified in the hospital. Then that's what the information we got.
Relatives here said that Madhusudan Rao did not want to stay in the United States because he wanted to come back and stay in India and he wanted to be in this particular land. And
Correct. Because he has to look after his parents, aged parents are there, and though he got multiple opportunities to stay in from a company in on-site, and he came back in order to fulfill the wishes of his parents.
are you expecting any kind of help from the government in this matter to take care of his parents?
It will be appreciated because he was supporting his parents, and whatever the help, if any possibility is there, that will be helpful for his parents. His father is 77 years old and he was bypass surgery happened. Okay, now at this point of time, if any help will be supporting their rest of the life.
He has a son and a daughter, and everybody is devastated after this absolutely horrific terror attack that occurred in Kashmir. Many questions are being raised about why such a thing has occurred by his family, who still cannot believe such a shock had occurred. But everybody here are now mourning. The entire village is mourning and is filled with sorrow as Madhusudan's body has been brought to Kavali. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav, for India Today.